Hey guys, welcome back and thank you for joining me today. So today I'm excited to share with you guys a product haul, not just any product haul, but products that I picked up the other day from Sally Beauty. Alright guys, so the other day I went over to Sally Beauty just to pick up a few things that I needed, but in true product junkie style, I leave with a bag full of curly hair products. So today I'm going to go through what those products are with you guys. So these are all of the items that I picked up. Again, my intention was only to pick up a few items, and no, of course I had to pick up that and that and that and that and that and that. I wanted it all, but I think I did pretty good considering the amount of items that I picked up. So here's my receipt. I don't think I did too bad. So anytime I go into Sally's, I always have like this budget in my brain that I don't want to spend more than $50. Even though the products that I was going to get probably would not have come close to that amount, but I know how I am, and I always keep in mind that I try to keep myself at least to that limit whenever I go into Sally's to buy hair products. So I spent a total of $46.44, not bad, and I bought a total of 7 products. So okay, $6 to $7 a product, not bad at all. So starting off, the first thing that I picked up were these processing plastic caps. So my family and I, we go through a ton of these because we deep condition our hair for the most part on a weekly basis, and whenever we deep condition our hair, we always reach for these while the deep conditioner is sitting in our hair. So this cost $3.59. So I had a 20% off coupon, and I actually paid $2.88 for these. Yay, go me. Alright, so the next product that I picked up was one that I actually went there to purchase. And if you have been following my channel, then you know that I'm in the middle of a one product wash and go series, and so there's a product there that I've been wanting to use in that one product wash and go series, and so I finally just went over and picked it up. And the product is the Design Essentials Natural Defining Cream Gel. So I have been eyeing this baby for quite some time. Also, one of my lovely subscribers recommended that I do the one product wash and go using this product as well. So if you guys want to see that wash and go, then click the eye up here or here, wherever that eye pops up, so that you can check out that video of how I did with this product in my one product wash and go. But yeah, so a little bit about this product. The first thing is, it is pretty pricey. Now, don't get me wrong, it does cost some coins. It costs, okay, so the price was $18.39, and I actually paid $14.71. So again, it is a bit on the pricey side, but you have to keep in mind, it does the job of 2 products, right? So it does the job of a cream as well as a gel. So in essence, you're getting 2 products in one. I mean, that's just how I reasoned with spending that much money on hair products. But next thing is the smell. Guys, this product smells exactly like cake batter. Like, to the T. Exactly like cake batter. I don't know how else to explain it, but cake batter. The consistency is super thick, yet jelly at the same time. So you can see here, it's really not going anywhere with me holding it like this. So if you guys want to see more on this product, then just head over and check out the video where I use it in my one product wash and go. All right, so the next product that I picked up, I did go to Sally's with buying it in mind, and it is the Eden Body Works leave-in conditioner. This conditioner I love, but I haven't purchased it or used it in quite some time, so I wanted to start reusing it again. I also think it's going to be a great product to use in a one product wash and go. Reason is, even though it is a leave-in conditioner, it does give you a little bit of hold. So I am a little curious to see how it does on its own. So stay tuned for that as well. But guys, Eden Body Works had a sale. That's how they get you guys. They had a buy two, get one free sale. So of course, I had to pick up 2 more products. So I'll share that with you guys soon. But this one costs, so I'm not sure which one I got for free. Okay, so the 2 products that I bought cost the same. Okay, so this costs $7.89. And one of the other products that I picked up also cost $7.89. So I got one of them for free. So that's this baby right here. So the other product that I picked up from Eden Body Works was the natural curling jelly. So this cost the exact same price as the leave-in conditioner. So I picked this up because I've never tried it and wanted to see how it does with the leave-in conditioner. So another wash and go idea that I have is to use these 2 together. Now, I love Eden Body Works first off because they're very inexpensive, they use great ingredients, and the product works really, really well. So again, I'm excited to try this. And the smell, I don't know how this smells. Let me see if I can smell it for you guys. I'm pretty sure it smells like coconut because it is the coconut shea line. Yes, exactly like coconuts. Kind of like how sunscreen smells a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, and the leave-in conditioner smells exactly the same. All right, guys, so as I mentioned, Eden Body Works had a sale. Buy 2, get 1 free. So the third product that I picked up from Eden Body Works was really new. I've never ever seen this product there before. Again, I've been trying to stay away so that I don't purchase products that I don't need. But it looks like it's a new line from Eden Body Works. It is their, let me see if it, yeah, it's a little different. So it says it's their Eden Body Works Essentials Citrus Fusion line. So that caught my eye. And this product in particular is advertised as a butter. And what intrigued me about it is that it's for hair and body. So of course, I had to kind of see what this thing was all about. First, that drew me to the product, the fact that it is for both hair and body. And then I smelled it, and it smells so good. If you know what the lemon flavored Starburst smells like, the candy or tastes like, that's what this smells like. It smells just like the Starburst candy, the lemon flavored, but it smells super sweet, super fresh, super citrusy, hence the Citrus Fusion name. But again, I was super intrigued by the fact that this is a cream, I guess, for both hair and body. And the way I'm going to use it is more of like a leave-in conditioner. And I'll also test it out on my body and see how it works as well. So it is super thick, like exactly like a butter again. But yeah, so it comes with a lot of product. It's a 16 fluid ounce container, and it costs, let's see here, the price of this one was $10.19, and because of the 20% off, I purchased it for $8.15. Also, the product here that I purchased for $7.89, I actually paid $6.31 because of the coupon. So not bad, considering these products can, tend to add up and be pretty pricey. So the last 2 products that I picked up, I've never seen them before. I feel like I've heard about this product before, but I'm not really sure. So of course it's new, so I was a little intrigued by it. And the brand is Texture ID. Comment down below and let me know if you've heard of Texture ID or if you've used them before. So of course, because it's new, I was a little intrigued by it, and I really love the packaging. I love the colors that they used. And then of course, then I opened it up and smelled it. And I love this smell. It smells super soft, super fresh. It smells like something, but I can't put my finger on it. But if you can imagine if these colors had a smell, that's what this product smells like. So I picked up the styling cream from the brand. I also picked up the leave-in conditioner. So I am excited to try out a wash and go using these two products as well. Now, don't worry guys, I will be sure to film all these videos for you guys so you guys can see my thoughts and how they do with my hair. The price of the styling cream was, let's see, how much was this? Okay, so the styling cream, they both had the same price, which is $8.79. They also had a sale where you would get $3 off if you purchased two of the products. So they're both $8.79, $3 off, and then 20% off. So I ended up paying $5. Yeah, so I ended up paying $5.83 each. Again, not bad considering their original price. So I saved quite a bit, and I don't feel too bad about the products that I purchased that I don't really need. So I needed the caps. I also needed the Design Essentials Defining Cream Gel. And another thing that I needed, and I needed leave-in conditioner. So I'm pretty happy with these two purchases right here because I did need leave-in conditioners. And the last thing I needed was deep conditioners, and somehow I left the store with no deep conditioners. So my next run for curly hair products will definitely include some deep conditioners. But yeah guys, that was it. Those were my curly hair products that I picked up from Sally Beauty. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big, huge like. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.